on today's Designing Spaces. Never-ending to-do lists? This technology will help you tackle those tasks in no time. Water damage can be devastating. Find out how to protect your home. Installing an InSink disposal system in your kitchen provides a lot more benefits than you may think. And aging in place, solutions to find the care your elderly loved ones need. Time to design. Who's to say your to-do list has to be done by you? Whether you need to move a couch, mount a TV, or a mirror, put together an IKEA table, or get multiple items picked up and delivered to your home. These are simple tasks that can be impossible to accomplish if you don't have the skills or the time to do them. Today on Designing Spaces, we're going to show you how you can get help when you need it, at your fingertips.
Between work and kids, it's hard to tackle my to-do list. Also, it's not easy to find reliable help on a tight schedule or budget.
My wife and I are a team. We help each other with everything. But sometimes with kids' activities on the weekends, it's harder to complete difficult tasks like mounting a TV or moving furniture.
These days, many people are searching the internet to find services and help at home. Innovative technology such as TaskRabbit can help, connecting you with skilled, reliable taskers who can get the job done.
Booking a tasker was easy, even with same-day help. I downloaded the TaskRabbit app, chose from a list of categories, and provided the task details. TaskRabbit gave me a list of rated and reviewed taskers in my area to choose from. I selected a tasker for the job and scheduled the work, all within minutes.
The first time we used TaskRabbit was to mount a 57-inch TV and move some boxes in the garage. It was really fast and easy to book a tasker for help.
No task is too small. Taskers can be hired to do nearly anything from errands to home repairs.
My name is Steve, and I'm a tasker. I primarily task in the mounting, moving, and handyman categories. I love tasking because I can manage my own schedule, I can set my own hourly rates, and I get to choose the categories in which I task. I also keep 100% of what I earn.
TaskRabbit makes it easy for people to get work done in and around the home by connecting them to thousands of taskers in their communities. From furniture assembly and moving help to yard work, cleaning, painting, and more, TaskRabbit helps you check everything off your to-do list.
Many people do not have the time, skills, or tools to accomplish everyday tasks, and spending hours building furniture can be very frustrating. With the potential for challenges that can arise while mounting a TV or building furniture, I think it's a great idea to hire a tasker to do the job. That way people can focus on what matters most to them, whether it's family time, self-care, or other projects.
With all that TaskRabbit offers, it's no wonder that global retailer IKEA uses the company as its furniture assembly provider.
TaskRabbit is the ultimate gift of time, providing me with that feeling of accomplishment after a job well done.
To find out more about how TaskRabbit can make your everyday life easier, visit TaskRabbit.com and, of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv. When people talk about protecting their home or commercial property, the first thing they do is install security camera systems, alarms, or fire extinguishers. But did you know it's statistically much more likely to have water damage than to be burglarized or go up in flames?
So the most common damage in a property is going to be water. Even though we usually think about burglary and fire, water actually affects about 40% of homes. Home leaks are the biggest issue for insurance companies.
Water damage can easily cost you more than $50,000, and no insurance can replace family photos and other priceless treasures once water has destroyed them. Moving out of your home during the repairs is never convenient. Mold can quickly develop, causing health concerns.
A lot of people don't think they're going to ever have a water damage claim. Fact of the matter is, there are plenty of them, and they cost north of $80,000 to do repairs for the average water claim.
Fast action is key when dealing with leaks. No matter how small or large, taking action as soon as possible is really important.
The good news is that there are ways to protect your property against costly water losses.
With the leak defense system, we're helping to protect you from catastrophic damage, but we're also helping to save money on your water bill.
I decided to install the leak defense system because I had a very severe air conditioning leak in one of my air conditioning units. It caused extensive damage to 2 bedrooms. The system was actually recommended to me by my insurance company.
So an important feature with leak detection is having an automatic shutoff valve. And with the leak defense system, not only will it automatically shut off the water if it detects leaks, but it's capable of detecting tiny pinhole leaks, which they all matter, no matter how small. So the way the leak defense system works is it's installed on the main line and monitors all water going into the home. Then, if it detects flow that exceeds the time and flow parameters, it'll automatically shut the water off and notify the homeowner. Since the leak defense system is temperature-based, it will alert you to freezing conditions so you can take action to avoid burst pipes.
I've been installing these systems for way over 10 years. The actual installation, we're in and out in a day.
At Leak Defense, we've developed simple solutions for water-using appliances in homes. So our pre-installation assessment is used for identifying all those water-using appliances in the home that we really want to make sure that we protect, but also that we're aware of so that we can maximize water security.
With 7 global patents for flow-based water security, Leak Defense System offers you peace of mind 24/7.
With the leak defense system, there are 3 basic scenes: home, away, and standby. Home is set to accommodate your family's normal water usage. In the away scene, the system is set more sensitively because the house is unoccupied. The standby scene is used to temporarily put the system to sleep when you need to use more water for extended periods of time. The Leak Defense System app offers control and notifications from anywhere in the world.
I really like the app because I can manage the system remotely.
For an additional layer of protection and notification, you can connect your leak defense system to your home security. The system also allows you to instantly turn off the water with the touch of a button using the app or the on-site control panel. What sets this system apart from others is that it's not Wi-Fi dependent, so it's always monitoring.
Water leaks are the biggest issue for insurance companies. No wonder insurance companies have selected Leak Defense to protect historic homes for more than 13 years.
Many insurers offer incentive programs to policyholders who have the leak defense system installed on their property.
The defense system is adaptable to fit any size water pipe coming into the house from 3/4 of an inch in diameter up to 3 inches in diameter.
Leak Defense System has not just created a revolutionary product, they're also known for delivering great customer service.
Great customer service is important to us because we have a people-first mentality. That means listening first to tailor and offer the products that they want and need to be protected. We love being able to assist people.
To learn more of how the great team of Leak Defense can relieve you of all water maintenance worries, visit leakdefensesystem.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.
Hey everybody, it's Ryan here. Today I'm here to help a friend of mine, Debbie Marie, out with an issue she's having in the kitchen. Now, if you ask most homeowners what the most important appliances in their kitchen are, they're probably gonna say the refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, or even the coffee maker. But there's one appliance that rarely gets the love and respect that it deserves. That's the garbage disposal. Come check it out.
My family's been spending a lot more time at home these days, creating more food waste than usual. And as a result, my trash can is filling up quite quickly. But what's even worse, it smells. Unfortunately, our current garbage disposal has seen better days. And with the added food waste, I think it's time for an upgrade. So I reached out to my friend Ryan, who can build, fix, and install almost anything. And I know he will have a great suggestion for a new garbage disposal. Well, you know, we've been spending a lot of time at home these days, and I know our current garbage disposal, it just can't keep up with the extra food waste. Actually, I want you to hear this. Listen.
Oh, turn that off.
It's bad. I mean, seriously, is there a garbage disposal that is quieter than this?
Absolutely. So today I brought InSinkErator. They actually invented the garbage disposal and for the last 80 years have been making superior products.
Okay, perfect. So tell me about this one.
All right, so they have a wide range of models fitting the kitchen or budgetary needs. So today I brought the Evolution XL. It's one of the larger models. It features sound reduction technology and it's ultra quiet. It also has multiple stages of grinding with stainless steel components and grind chamber for durability.
And once it's installed, if I have any questions and you're not here, is there a customer service I could reach out to?
Yeah, definitely. That's one of the other things that they're known for is great customer service. If you have any questions, concerns, or any kind of warranty information, you don't even need to keep the receipt. Thankfully for me, they are super easy to install.
Good.
So what do you say? Let's get this thing in there.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
And it's out.
And it's out of there.
That's easy.
It is actually super easy, and the great thing is it goes in just as easy.
Really? Okay, good. Just like you said, easy.
All right, and just like that, we're done.
Nice.
All right, you want to be the first one to use it?
Well, of course
All
I
right,
do.
come check it
Actually,
out.
I have lemon over here. Can I put a lemon in?
Absolutely.
The whole thing.
Seeds, rinds, the whole thing.
All right, here goes. Ready?
How quiet is
Listen to that. And that's with the seeds and everything.
That's right.
Wow,
So
that is
super easy.
really nice. All right, I have to ask you some questions. Do you mind?
Absolutely.
Okay, how much water and electricity does it use?
So actually, this garbage disposal only uses about 5 kilowatt hours a year, which equates to about 50 cents a year.
I can do 50 cents. I had a friend mention, though, that it may not be good for sewer systems.
It's actually a misconception. Because it grinds it into such minute particles, it passes through the system very easily. Not only that, it's actually better for the environment. When you throw food waste into a garbage can, all that waste goes to a landfill and is responsible for millions of tons of methane gas that escapes up in the atmosphere and contributes to climate change.
So can you use a garbage disposal if you have a septic tank?
Absolutely, it's perfectly safe as long as you properly maintain your septic tank.
Who would have thought that a garbage disposal was environmentally friendly?
Hey, and not only that, it's actually healthy and hygienic. When you throw food waste into the garbage, it creates bacteria, which causes odors. And here's a really cool thing. InSinkErator also offers baffles for your sink that are antimicrobial, which prevents those viruses and odors from forming.
Well, that's music to my ears. Well, no, actually, I should say nose. Hey, Ryan, I have one more thing I need your help with. It's right here.
Oh, dishes, really?
Yeah, I heard you do really good dishes.
Oh, all right, here we go. For more information on how InSinkErator can help you in the kitchen, go to InSinkErator.com.
"89% of senior citizens would prefer to live out their golden years at home. As we age, we often need help with household chores, transportation, and errands, as well as crave companionship. Family members or close friends aren't always available to assist, so they rely on caregivers to pitch in. Families in 20 countries have used Care.com to find a caregiver for their loved ones at an affordable rate. Jill McNamara is the Director of Senior Care at Care.com.
It's more pleasant for individuals to age at home because home tends to be more familiar. It's what people recognize. And seniors often may not then want to transition into a senior living community where everything is so new to them. Individuals can find a companion caregiver for as little as $12 to $15 per hour on the site. During COVID-19, we have seen a significant increase in isolation among seniors. But coming up with creative ways to engage a loved one are really essential to keep that stimulation active for an aging loved one. We've all been so reliant on technology during COVID-19. You can actually hire a caregiver through Care.com who can help with this technology.
To find prospective caregivers for a loved one, families can post a job for caregivers to respond to, or they can read profiles of caregivers and reach out to individuals they'd like to interview. Interviews can be conducted over the phone, virtually on video, or in person.
In a caregiver's profile on Care.com, it includes their first name and last initial, a photo of the caregiver, as well as information about their background and experience. You can also see their rate information, as well as optional videos and any references that have been provided as well. Caregivers and families are able to message through the platform. We do this for safety purposes so that they're not sharing contact information with anyone they're not comfortable with. When a family posts a job on care.com, these job posts include the hours that the family is looking for, the responsibilities that they are looking for the caregiver to perform, as well as any additional qualifications that they may need from the caregiver. At care.com, we take safety very seriously. We have to make sure that the site is as safe, if not safer, than when you're hiring by word of mouth. Every caregiver on our site undergoes a background check as part of our rigorous screening process, which we call a care check. A care check includes a social security number trace, a national sex offender public website search, a multi-jurisdictional criminal record search, as well as federal and county criminal records. Care.com runs a background check on every provider annually, but families can also run a background check at any time. Our home pay service helps families by providing W-2s to their employees. They help file taxes annually as well as quarterly for household employees so that families don't have to manage that on their own.
Many children and grandchildren of seniors aren't able to care for their aged loved ones because they may not live nearby, are busy working, and have families of their own to raise. A growing number of employers recognize this struggle and offer employees senior care planning through Care at Work as a benefit.
Caring for a senior today in the United States, there are so many families who are taking on this responsibility. And the challenge is these family and friends often don't self-identify as a caregiver. We may not see preparing meals for mom or taking dad to medical appointments as caregiving responsibilities. And according to AARP, 25% of these caregivers are millennials. The sandwich generation is a population of caregivers who are between the ages of 40 and 59 years old. And so this is impacting individuals across the entire age span. Because individuals are living longer, and due to early detection for chronic illnesses, such as Alzheimer's, and we know that the baby boomer generation is rapidly aging, family caregivers find themselves in a caregiving role for a much more extended period of time. We offer an adult backup care benefit, which provides in-home care through vetted home care agencies when regular care is unavailable. We also have a senior care solutions program, which connects employees with a dedicated master's level social worker who can develop a care plan and guide the family every step of the way through their caregiving journey, so they know their loved one is best taken care of.
In addition to senior caregiving, Care.com also matches families with people who can provide child care, school support, housekeeping, special needs care, and pet care. To learn more about their services and COVID-19 precautions, visit Care.com or designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.